Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your inReach Mini using the inReach Sync application on a PC. inReach Sync was designed to synchronize data between your inReach device and the Explore website. When you make changes to your data on explore.garmin.com, it is important to use the Sync application to copy those changes to your inReach device. Here, I'm changing the quick text message options. To use inReach Sync, you will need a Windows computer, the inReach Mini, and a micro USB cable. Begin by connecting your inReach to the computer. Then we will download inReach Sync. To download inReach Sync, log into explore.garmin.com. Then, select the Plans and Devices tab. Now, select the Sync and Update button and choose Windows or Mac. inReach Sync will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, install the application. Agree to the terms and conditions and select Install. Select Yes if you are asked about allowing the software to make changes. Then select Close when it is complete. You can minimize the Explore page and open inReach Sync by selecting the shortcut on your desktop. Enter the email address and password you used for your Explore account and select Login. Make sure to use the same Explore account as before to ensure you are syncing the correct data. The syncing process begins after you sign in. Your inReach may restart while the information is being synced. When you see the green check mark, you are ready to disconnect. Your data is synced. For future syncs, just open the inReach Sync app from the desktop. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your changes have been synced on the inReach. And that's it. You can now sync your inReach Mini. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.